how resilient Bayambangueños, how resilient tourism also here in Bayambang. Despite the reason that we don't have the oceans, the mountains, any natural resources na may pagmamalaki kagaya ng ibang bayan, ang masasabi ko lang naman po, ang may pagmamalaki ng turismo ng bayan ng Bayambang ay ang bawat Bayambanggenyo na patuloy na nakikipaglaban para po maihahon ang kanilang pamilya.
Just say the words and I'll move how you want me to.
And now my mind is racing, imagining what you and I could do. I just wanna do it with you.
No one to stop me, no reason not to be the one who makes my move.
We believe that tourism boosts the revenue of the economy, and as well, tulad nga po ng sinabi ko, creates thousands of jobs and develop the infrastructures and many more significant effects to our municipality. At syempre, ang ating pong pinakahihintay sa lahat, tourism is also a major contribution in the road of making Bayambang a city. Excited na ba kayo dyan? Yes! At syempre po, isa rin po ang turismo. Sa pamamagitan po ng turismo ay atin pong naipapakita ang, syempre po, ang makulay na tradisyon at kultura ng bayan ng Bayambang. Kasama na rin po dyan ang iba't iba pong may pagmamalaki natin local products ng bayan ng Bayambang. At isa po sa aking paborito dyan ay ang buro. Syempre po, kaya naman po ang selebrasyon po ito, talaga naman po nagpapahiwatig na ang bayan ng Bayambang ay todo suporta sa sektor ng turismo.
Dance, 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 I wanna dance, 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 I wanna dance, 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 I wanna dance, 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 I wanna dance with you.
Tourism Month is in line with our town's vision to ignite inclusive economic growth, sustainable job creation and transformation, which are all critical for our industry, and we need to have a helping hand to continue with our collective efforts in driving this. But you see, tourism is so much more than generating revenue. It is a people-oriented sector. It is about experiences and an exchange of cultures, and foremost, it is about people at the heart of its brand. Alam niyo ba dati, itong Bayambang, to be honest, before I arrived here, I didn't even know Bayambang existed. And now I'm so proud because my friends from Manila and all over the world know where Bayambang is, because we have truly made our mark in the world, especially with our St. Vincent Ferrer statue, and of course, because of me. Joke! I am a tourism sector. Joke!
Hello, good morning. This is Lollipop Hotel.
Baby, I've been watching you across the room.
I can see you staring, baby, I've been watching you too.
And darling, you've been giving off some serious energy. I can only hope you're feeling me.
I like the way you're moving, the other boys don't have a clue.
Just say the words and I'll move how you want me to.
And now my mind is racing, imagining what you and I could do.
reason not to be the one who makes my move. Baby, come over, move a little bit closer. Let's get right down to so what you wanna do. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance with you. Damn, that jam was funky. We're a couple of dance floor junkies, baby, me and you. I feel your body sweating, dancing close we've been getting. Please don't misconstrue just what I wanna do. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance, 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 dance. I wanna dance.
Kabalayan, there has been so much excitement and anticipation as we readied ourselves for this event. Ang dami nating ihanda para sa inyong lahat. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of our 3-day activities. Again, good morning to all of us all. God bless us all. To God be all honor and glory. Maraming salamat po.